This is Jeff Quest of Boatshed, Norfolk, on board the Hampton Safari, and in the aft cabin, bed made up. Very light and airy. Forward through to the galley area. And into the saloon and helm area. At the moment the roof is in fact slid back, giving you some idea of just how comfortable and airy this model of boat can be. This converts into a double bed, of course. And finally, into the heads. Good full-size basin, toilet and shower unit. If you need to know any more about this boat, then please go to www.boatshednorfolk.com, and thanks for watching.